Welcome back to Mech Tech with Mr. Sullivan. Welcome to part 5, the final part of the Lego person build. With this one, we're going to put everything together that we've made so far. As you can see over in the shapes collection, we've been saving them as we're building them. I already brought them all out. That way they look like this. I had them locked. So we're going to go ahead and unlock all of these. That way we can move them around and line them up, make our Lego person. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to bring them all forward onto the work plane. We're going to put the torso on top of the body, or on top of the legs first to create the body portion for the Lego person. Then we'll put the head on, and then last we will attach the arms. All right, here we go. So to get this started, I want to find out how tall this is. This is 61, so the legs here are 61 tall. Now I want to take the body and lift that up to 61, and we can align it. There you go. There is the body. Now we're going to take the head. So we want to find out, we actually want to ungroup real quick. Find out how tall that is. 111. Okay, so that's going to come in handy here in a second. Let's go ahead and group that back together. So we want to lift that to 111 and align like so. Now I'm actually going to zoom in, and I want to select just the head, and I'm going to zoom in on the neck here because we're actually going to lift that up, so control with the snap grid down to 0.1. I'm going to hold control and use that up arrow because I want just a little bit of a gap like that. All right. From here, I'm going to go ahead and start grouping this stuff together. And then obviously multicolor because we want to keep those colors that we work so hard on. I need to find out how wide this guy is. He is 58.31. All right, so I'm going to take these. I'm going to line him up pretty close to where he's going to go. And I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to move it over to pretty close. I want to select both of them. I want to make sure that they stay in line with each other. Okay. Now again, select both. We can select everything. Line it all up like that. Okay. I know it looks kind of weird and goofy right now. Oops. Click the wrong button. Select both the arms, and then let's move them up to where they should go. I think that's actually a pretty good spot. Now we just need to move them forward. So I'm just holding the right arrow right now, and we're going to get them pretty close, and then we'll adjust them individually. All right. So now that I have them here, I'm going to select just one of them. I'm going to rotate it 7 degrees. Okay. So the right arm will go -7, and the left arm will go +7 to match the angle that we put on the body here. So now that I have that done, Let's take a look at it again. I'm going to zoom in. That way I can really see as I move that in to where it just touches like so. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the left arm. Rotate it to +7 and then bring it in until it just touches like that. I don't think they need to go up anymore, so I think we're good. We're going to select everything. We're going to group it. Once it is done grouping, there is your Lego person. So from here, you can add a face, you can add hair, a hat, change colors, whatever you want to do, make them do some fun pose. It is completely up to you. You have the most basic Lego person that you possibly can. That's what I got for you. Hopefully you learned something. Good luck.